Manual data entry in manufacturing has lots of problems, including high latency, lots of manual errors, and repetitive work, slowing down your operations. The solution to this is to use real-time data collection coupled with a top-to-down integrated manufacturing execution system. This is why you need JUSTPRO-MES. JUSTPRO-MES is an integrated software solution that enables users to have powerful, in-depth, and seamless control for their shop floor operations. It directly interfaces with sensors and manufacturing machinery, and it enables traceability of the manufacturing process and supply chain logistic process. Standalone or integrated with another ERP system, JUSTPRO-MES can boost your efficiency. JUSTPRO-MES communicates with enterprise systems, assembly line robots, and machinery sensors and quality assurance equipment. It is designed to provide users real-time transparency and enable you to fully control your factory operations, bridging the gap between ERP systems and shop floor operations. With advanced data collection methods, every operation and transaction that happens is all reflected in real time in the JUSTPRO-MES system, providing you easy management for all activities on the shop floor, driving maximum value from your factory. Visit our website to find out more. Your success, our effort, and glory.